Better that grease it around. Before you watch this video, make sure you have seen the one with the foundation, with the dry foundation, where my foundation refused to blend, because that's where I have the detailed foundation, of this look. As you can see here, I'm already done applying the foundation. Now I'm using the Golibe blush. I'm melting it. Did I just say melt? What I did was to make it a bit cream because it's a matte form. So I applied what I applied to make it cream so that I would use it differently this time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, comment and share with your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for always supporting. Thank you very much for coming back. I appreciate the support. So going in with a darker concealer, a concealer darker than 2 shades darker than her skin shade to contour her cheekbone, to contour, which is after applying my blush. If you've watched my previous video, you would know that I always tell you to apply your concealer, allow it to sit for a bit, and then you blend. Apply it, allow it to sit, and then you blend. Make sure you blend from the outer part, especially when you are blending the under eye. Make sure you blend from the outer part. And the concealer you're supposed to be using for highlighting is supposed to be 2 shades lighter than her original skin tone. 2 shades lighter than her original skin tone. So for the brows, you know me, I always tame the brow before I start doing my makeup, and this is the result you get once you tame your brow. You set it, you get rid of the oil that will be around it once you finish taming it. This is what you get once you're ready to draw your brow. You get seamless brow process. You don't get stressed with stubborn hairs, whether the brows are stubborn or not. You just draw your brows with no problem. You draw your brows with ease. I already finished the brow before I realized that my camera wasn't recording, or rather it stopped recording. But here I am. I'm using concealer this time for eyeshadow base. I'm using my concealer as an eyeshadow base. This is another way to get your eyeshadow base in case you don't have an eyeshadow base to use. So like I promised, I was going to have a detailed brow tutorial, a detailed eyeshadow tutorial where I would use an eyeshadow primer and concealer as an eyeshadow primer. You can see as I finished applying the eyeshadow, I'm using a clean brush. I'm using a clean brush to blend the transition colors, the transition line that merges with the brow bone. So I'm using a clean brush to blend it to avoid harsh lines so that everything would marry each other. So for eyeshadow glitters, I'm going in with my glitter primer. You apply it, make sure you blend it so that it doesn't come off tacky. Make sure you blend it so that once you're placing your glitter, it would just sit well and sit directly. You can see me applying it. You just you're dabbing, just take your time, dust off the excess and just be applying, be dabbing, and you would see your results. No rush, just calm down. Do it calmly, you'll get your results. For the lip, I don't have anything planned. I'll just go as a spirit leads here. So just watch as I create this lip out of nowhere. So for my highlight, I'm using Sooproo loose highlight. Whatever you're applying, whatever makeup you're applying on a client, on a model, make sure you are careful. Make sure you start from small. Just target build up and make sure everything is well blended. And that will be the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe and share to your family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.